This is Rich with Outdoors of This World. Today we're going to be showing you how to put together a concrete kitchen by Outdoors of This World. Go ahead and grab one of these panels for you. Couple tips for assembly. These are 3/4 inch concrete panels, fiber reinforced. They come pre-drilled. If you look on the back here, you can see where the holes are. And they also come pre-numbered. So right now what we're going to do is go ahead and assemble one of these and show you how fast a good quality kitchen can be put together. Now the first thing we use angles and concrete screws. Here's an angle right here. The concrete screws are right here. The first step is go ahead and set the back and put the 4 first brackets on here. What you're going to do is you're not going to tighten them down right now, you're just going to put them in, just kind of so they can flex around a little bit. Now you're not going to have to worry about getting the fasteners or the angles for all this. They all come with the kit if you decide to assemble it on your own. And the number I showed you on the top, right now we're putting number 1 together. Now we're going to go ahead and put the number 2s together. Like I said, all the drilling comes complete from the factory, so there's no drilling necessary. And they're all set to where they need to be so the corners are lined up. Now go ahead, before we put the front panel on, we'll go ahead and put those next 4 set of fasteners on there. And again, don't tighten them down. Just enough to get them on there. And this one, make sure to leave your fasteners inside. Put the last front panel in. What's important to notice right now is we bring this forward and set the other one. You're going to notice all the ventilation holes are already pre-cut. Your grill drop is set and your door openings are all set. So that's going to make assembly a lot easier for anybody putting it together. reason there's so few fasteners used in the assembly of this is actually all the corners and tops will be bonded with concrete, the same kind of concrete, which is a 10,000 psi concrete. And that concrete will hold it together. These are only to hold it together temporarily while everything gets assembled. So now we're going to go ahead and take our concrete top. I'm going to go ahead and bring this over to you and show it to you. Show you some of the things we can do with the tops. This is a marbleized top. It's 1.5 inch concrete. We can go 2 inches or 3 inches. If you look at our website, you can also we do timber tops. You notice the back is pretty flat right there, nice and smooth, so it makes it easy to work with. And if you look at our website, you can see all the different styles and colors we can actually do. So when you go ahead and set the top, it's a nice, easy 2-person job. You just pick it up, lay it flat. What you're going to do is you're going to set it right up here, and you're going to make sure the openings line up. So we're all nice and set. Now the vents, those are set for certain sizes. I actually use blaze vents in all ours. If you order a kitchen, you'll get the vents with it. But we can make these to fit any manufacturer. Next, on this one, we're going to go ahead and set the doors. Typically on this we use a non-combustible, but right now we're using the 2x4 pressure treated. You don't actually want to screw into the concrete because of electrolysis, and what you'll do is the lime will go ahead and eat up any fasteners. So you don't want to actually screw directly into the concrete for something that's going to hold up the stainless steel. So all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put that in there. Now what's important to note is we went ahead and put the doors on first. The reason for that is once the grill is in, it's a lot more difficult to put the doors in because you're trying to hold things in there. And just like that, you have a complete concrete kitchen that's going to be a lifetime product, outlast any other product on the market. Like I said, in this particular one, we actually used a blaze grill. We can manufacture to fit any manufacturer of grills out there. And in the next video, go ahead and watch, and we will show you how to bond the concrete corners. Thank you for watching.